What can a cleaner do in 1 hour? Are you considering hiring a cleaner to clean your house for 1 hour a week? If so, you might be wondering what you can expect from your cleaner after 60 minutes of work. Of course, it depends on what you want your cleaner to do and which areas of your home need attention. But here's an example of what a cleaner could do in an hour. 1. Do some light dusting of mirrors, the TV and a few units. 2. Hoover the living room and hallway. This is as long as they are small and there is no furniture to be moved around. 3. Mop your kitchen floor. Your cleaner should be able to do a very basic clean in this time. If there are stains and spills, this will take more time. 4. Spray and wipe the countertops in the kitchen. They'll probably only have time to clean the visible surfaces. That's just an example of what your cleaner could do. You should always discuss with your cleaner what tasks you'd like them to do beforehand and check that they're happy to do the tasks. To get an idea for what would be reasonable, you could time yourself cleaning for 1 hour and see how much you get done. Of course, a professional cleaner might be quicker and more efficient than you, so they might be able to manage more in the 1 hour session. They might also be more thorough than you, in which case it could take them longer than you expect. 1 hour isn't much time, so here are some ways to get the most out of a 1 hour cleaning session. 1. Prioritise cleaning tasks. Tell your cleaner what tasks are important to you so they won't miss them out. 2. Tidy up before the cleaner gets there. Get any clutter out of the way so your cleaner can hit the ground running when they arrive. 3. Get a thorough clean of your home done every few months. This way, your cleaner can keep on top of things with just an hour's work. I hope this video gave you a good idea of what to expect from a 1 hour cleaning session. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and advice, and thanks for watching.